Gwen, be more careful. We need to slay him gently.
Uncle Dan!
I don't want to play too.
Great news! May are taking us on a field trip! I'm so excited! It's all so great! Hurry, guys!
No!
Come to! Come on! Let's go!
Stop!
Stop!
Wendy? No.
Where are you going?
Delroy is the sea dragon now!
Of course! I love that!
You're next.
No, you're gonna be done tonight.
Go! He's gonna take you to the stars. He's gonna serve you to people with oranges.
Hey, what's happening?
Dad! It's the chef! He's back! Erna and May are giving those ducks to the chef so we can cook them!
Beg your pardon.
Dax, go back to Mom. I'll handle this.
No! I can help!
Go back to Mom now! Goo, do not get on that truck.
Look, I understand this is all new to you, a bit weird, a bit strange.
But you get it? It's the trap! You gotta get the
Everyone! Get out of the truck unless you want to be cooked!
You were
Come
saying?
on! Hurry! You gotta go before he comes back!
And he comes back.
Let go!
I'm guessing that's not good.
Get away from them, you beast!
Ah, fluffernutter.
It's time to die!